I know what you're thinking. How do you cook a steak in an air fryer? I don't know, because this is the very first time I'm cooking this fillet steak in this Ninja Foodi Max Dualzone air fryer. Because I'm serving it on a wholesome ciabatta bread, which was part baked in the Ninja air fryer. And on top of that, I'm drizzling this homemade chimichurri sauce. But if you have no access to a pan or a barbecue, this is going to be a great experiment for the air fryer. The first thing I've done is to take it out of the fridge, and I've let it rest for a few hours at room temperature. The next thing is to season the steak. Putting the oil on helps the seasoning to stick to the steak, and it also hopefully will help it to char a little bit. I'm going to dial up air fry 450 degrees or 240 centigrade. Do this for 5 minutes just to preheat the basket. I'm going to later on use a chimichurri sauce to drizzle on the steak. Start with some cilantro. We call it coriander here in the UK. Super big handful. Parsley. With this we need slightly less than the cilantro or coriander. Here's some oregano, and we need 1 tablespoon of oregano, microplane, 2 cloves of garlic. Next, I need 1.5 teaspoons of chili flakes. Next up is red wine vinegar, and we will need 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. Only a couple more ingredients. I need salt. Finally, olive oil. We need 200 milliliters, which is 3/4 of a cup. I think it might be best to not crush it too finely, so you've got some nice big chunks of leaf. That looks lovely. If I lay the steak down, it should... Oh, could you hear that? 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 Celsius. I'm going to go for 4 minutes. This is going to be good. So we're going to flip this over. Okay, flip it over. And I'm going to go for another 4 minutes, I think. Oh my goodness, look at that. Absolutely stunning. Oh, let's get it on a plate. I've got to try and get as much steak in as possible because my son's going to get what's left over. So let's see how many slices can I cram onto this half a loaf. So here comes the chimichurri. Let's drizzle it on. I wish I could convey the bite of the parsley and the cilantro or coriander, garlic and chili all mixed up. Time for the taste test. This is going to be the ultimate air fryer snack. Oh my goodness, absolutely delicious. This is the ultimate air fryer steak sandwich. Look at it.